Hey guys, welcome to another Red Yeti Spotlight. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out SylvanSport. SylvanSport makes camping gear and accessories that really take your camping experience to a new level. Basically, anything involving camping and a hitch or a trailer is pretty much in their wheelhouse. But they do also have a lot of camping accessories that you don't necessarily need to have a trailer to enjoy. Either way, they go the distance on all of their products, and they do a really good job of solving some problems that you face when you go camping. Today we're going to be checking out their Dine O Mite kitchen system and their WayLight. You shall not pass. The Dine O Mite kitchen system is essentially a portable island with a bamboo top. It gives you a large amount of space to work with and is really better than anything you could possibly hope for when it comes to camping. Obviously, this is, in its pack form, it expands, but it does expand super easily. It's a one-person job to actually get it set up. There are 4 interlocking hinges on the aluminum frame. It's one aluminum frame, and it stands straight up, locking, working perfectly. It's super sturdy. You can easily chop veggies on it without worrying about it wobbling or coming out of lock, kind of bringing down your world while you're holding a knife. It's terrifying. And this isn't something you really need to worry about with the Dine O Mite. Dining like a diner. Honestly, I think that's one of the cooler features because it just makes it so simple. Usually with this kind of thing, you get deterred from wanting to even use it because it's such a pain to set up, but because it's so easy to pack away, set up, it really does make it worth it. Wildly worth it. As I mentioned before, the countertop is bamboo and it's a really big space. It's 4 square feet, plenty of room to work with, and it even comes with a windscreen, kind of an aluminum insert that goes on top of the actual countertop so you can protect where you're cooking. Wind won't come when you're trying to prepare a meal and blow all your ingredients away. There is additional storage on the actual kitchen system. There's a zippered cabinet space which you could either keep closed or roll open, so you could just quickly grab everything. And it does come with 4 hard shelf inserts, so it's not just like flopping around. There's a solid surface there. On top of that, there are pockets on either side of the actual kitchenette, along with some hooks, in case you want to just hang, I don't know, like a frying pan, something you could just quickly grab. It also has a built-in bottle opener, because, I mean, come on, it's camping. If you're cooking, I mean, maybe you want a nice soda, or a nice malt liquor. Nice Colt 45. The Dine O Mite kitchen system is water resistant, which kind of makes sense. I mean, it's camping and cooking, a lot of water involved in both. Hopefully not so much camping, cooking, kind of unavoidable. And it comes with this awesome case. It is really easy to set up. It obviously stands on its own, which is kind of nice, and it has a nice little handle. Sturdy stuff. The Dine O Mite kitchen system pairs perfectly with the WayLight. Basically like a little pole you stab into the ground and gives you light to work with. It is adjustable, you can get it a little bit higher, and it has an ambient light as well as a more direct light. It's actually perfect for pairing with the Dine O Mite kitchen because it's angled a little bit down. You could stab it right into the ground next to your kitchen system and have a light to work with. So if it gets dark, you can actually keep on cooking. Even if the Dine O Mite kitchen system isn't necessarily your thing, you're not much of a campfire cook, this is something that will save your life the middle of the night if you have to relieve yourself, as it were. Whether you're into glamping or car camping, or you're looking for something better for your trailer, SylvanSport's Dine O Mite kitchen system and WayLight are really amazing. They can really take your camping experience to the next level. Give you a taste of home. Getting a hard surface to work with when you're camping could be a huge pain. This takes that out of the equation. And the WayLight, I mean, come on. You need light. You don't always want to have a flashlight, so having the ambient light or a more direct light, super useful. Really into it. See here, keeping it safe. That's it for our first look of SylvanSport's Dine O Mite kitchen system and WayLight. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video. Makes me feel good. Give me a little hey. Do the like, do all the YouTube stuff. Subscribe, bell notification. It actually does really help when you like our video and subscribe, so please do it. That's it for now. Stay tuned for another Ready Yeti Spotlight coming at you next week.